Good afternoon, traders. Welcome to the Moy Analytics Afternoon S&P 500 Gold and Bitcoin podcast for April 8th going into the 9th. Okay, going to start off with the S&P 500. We left a pretty significant gap higher here on the day. Okay, I'm not going to go over all the higher time frame stuff. But we held exhaustion below with the 63.53 and a quarter low, and it bounced 494, and the trade above uh 64.8175 to 83.50. I said projects this upward 125 points. We've seen 363.75 so far. The trade above 65.6650 warned of continued strength, likely for 245, and we've obtained 280.75 of that. Let me just double check. I got this morning. Yeah, we did. Okay. So far, fulfilling that projection also, but it has a plus on it, so we could still see more. I had warned to get out of longs temporarily below this line. We came off a bit here, but then blew back up through the line. Now we're also holding this line right here. If we take that out, that's going to warn a continued strength. That's going to come in at 68.2119. Plus 33 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I had said, just as sort of a backup, is we were in the last stretch of the structure down. We held this exhaustion right here with the red box here. Then we've taken these lines out, and I said we're likely in a bullish correction against the move up from here, or a bullish trend. So this is either corrective in nature or trending in nature. The structure of this does look trending and not corrective. And the last final exhaustion up here is going to be between 68.96.5 to 68.34.5, 69.34, 69.37.5. However, it is premature for that to hold more than temporarily until after the 21st. So if we trade up there and blow through that, we're probably going to head back up for the highs and take out the highs at 70.9650. A maintained gap lower tomorrow would leave a minor bearish reversal above, but that would be more effective if we take out 66, 64, 75 in the process. Okay, and in the gold, we did leave a minor bullish reversal below on the day, negating this minor bearish reversal above. However, we have, so let me just back up a little bit here. The trade above 47.1190 projects us upward 155 minimum, 900 plus maximum. We've attained 176.1 of that so far up into here. However, I said that get short. Well, I already said to get short below 48.25, 90 to 21 even. That's just a short-term thing. But I also said to get short on a decent penetration or pull back thereafter below 47, 42, 40, which we took out right here at 47.6170, which now warrants a renewed pressure. If we break back above that line decently, that's going to negate that bearish bias and reestablish bullishness. But I would not lean against it as a long. That's going to come in at 47.6550. Plus 17 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And in the Bitcoin, we negated that minor bearish reversal above. We also took out this formation, which was bullish, leaving a medium bullish reversal below on the day. Maintain gap lower tomorrow. We'll leave a minor bearish reversal above, but that would be more effective if we take out 69,270 in the process. I'm not going to go over all the higher time frame stuff. Break above 67,310. So projects us upward 2,200 minimum, 5,700 plus maximum. We've attained 5,770 of that. Fulfilling that. Like I said here, I maintain gap higher. We'll leave a minor bullish reversal below. That's actually a medium bullish reversal. And then the trade above 72.66 warrants a decent strength. We've seen 2,814 of that so far. And that was the break back above this formation. If we fail back down through that formation, that would be bearish. That's going to come in at 70,509 plus 10 per hour, starting at 6 o'clock p.m. This should actually have a down arrow by it. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in tomorrow's podcast.